Let me show you how you can create this mini preview scroller widget here. So first thing you have to do is copy the header. I'm gonna select this header here, Ctrl+C to copy, and maybe I'm gonna put it at cell F3 like this. Just copy paste, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. Next, you're gonna go to developer tab. If your developer tab is not available, click anywhere on the ribbon, right click anywhere, customize the ribbon. In here, you're gonna select customize ribbon and make sure there's a check next to developer and click OK. Once that's done, the developer tab will be available, and then you're gonna click on insert here, and then under form control, you're gonna select this scroll bar widget here, and then just gonna place it somewhere around like that, or however long you want it. Then once that's done, click anywhere on the cell, right click on the widget, and you're gonna be selecting format control like this. On this pop-up here for format control, let's set current value to 1, minimum value to 1, and cell link here, you're gonna put it here like J2. Let me show you what it does, and click OK. So click anywhere outside in the cell, and if you start to move your scroller bar, you can see your J2 value changing accordingly. That's what we want. So now you're gonna click cell right below the name, which is say F4 for my example here, and use this formula. Once that's done, hit enter, and then click the cell on F4 and drag it right across all the way up to the edge like that. Once that's done, select that row again and drag all the way down to however many rows you want. So now if you were to play with your scroller bar, you can see that the table scrolls as well.